Hey Spartans, welcome back to Spartan Spotlight episode 17. I'm Carson McWhorter.
And I'm Daniela Sanchez.
Hey Daniela, how was your February break?
It was really good. I did so much with my friends and family.
Now that February is over and it's now March, St. Patrick's Day is coming up in a couple of weeks.
Do you guys know there's a calendar that shows all events in this month?
Really? Where can I find it?
On the Medical Center website. It's also being shown on the screen.
Daniela, did you know we're having an elective fair?
Yeah, isn't it coming up Friday during lunch?
Yes, please make sure to come show your support. Coming up this month is a Spanish dance. You can buy tickets at an ASB window. More information will be shown on screen.
RMHS will be having an open house on March 30th, 6 p.m. through 8 p.m. for incoming freshmen.
Spartans, the College and Career Center is hosting the 38th Annual Career Expo. It is on March 17th at the Oxnard Performing Arts Center. It is open to all 11th through 12th grade students. Make sure to show support.
Continuing on careers, we're going to be talking about building and construction presentation coming up, which is open to all grades. You can scan the code that's shown on the screen for more information about this event.
Next, we will be introducing the president and vice president of a film club.
Hey guys, I'm Lesbo Corpus, your film club president.
And I'm Alina Gakuno, your vice film club president. And we're here to discuss about our club and why it's not too late to join.
So far we're discussing about what other movie we should show during our film club nights. We're discussing about if we should have a senior movie night.
And you're always welcome to come in and help us discuss what movie we should show for our next movie night. It's not too late to join, and you're always welcome to come in.
So we're meeting in room 33, Mr. Tierney's class. If you want to join, everyone's welcome.
Yeah, meeting every other Wednesday. Follow our Instagram for more updates, and we hope to see you there.
The Point Mugu Air Show is coming up, and they are looking for volunteers to work the booth for them. If your club or sports team is interested, I would definitely look into it. They are paying $15 an hour per student, which can go to school expenses like prom tickets, grad night tickets, etc.
Make sure to visit their website for more information. Next week is Annual Higher Education Week. They will be presenting 12:30 through 3:15 p.m. on March 9th. All juniors and seniors are encouraged to attend. Since you're a senior, have you ordered your cap and gown yet?
Yes, and if you haven't, make sure to order it from Jostens. Also, if you haven't purchased your grad night tickets and you want to attend, make sure to go to the ASB window. Remember, you need a 2.0 or above in order to participate in senior activities. Next, we're going to have Barbara and Damari talk about the seal of biliteracy.
Hi guys, my name is Damari Medina and I'm a senior.
Hi guys, I'm Barbara Hernandez and I'm a junior.
So we just wanted to share some information and some of our experiences with IB Spanish HL. So IB Spanish HL is a 2-year program. There's HL and ESA. We are both in HL.
I'm in HL1.
And I am in HL2.
If you do take IB Spanish, you can get your biliteracy seal if you score a 3 or higher on your AP exam, and in order to qualify for your biliteracy seal, you have to score a 3 or higher on your CASP exam. Our Spanish teacher, Ms. Amon, who teaches HL, prepares us well enough so that we can pass both CASP and AP exams.
So once you pass your AP and your CASP exam, Ms. Amon prepares you well enough to pass it. You move on to HL2, where she will prepare you for your IB test in May, and you will do an IOC and a test portion. She prepares you well enough, like I said earlier, and you will make sure to pass it. Once you pass all of those exams, you will get both of the cords shown on the screen and your IB biliteracy seal medal.
In our Spanish class, we talk about sensitive topics and real-world situations. We work on correo electrónicos, which are emails, ensayos, which are essays, and just so much more. We highly encourage everyone to take it. I know it might seem scary because it's an IB class, but honestly, it's worth it because of how much you can improve in your Spanish.
And from our experiences, like we said, we highly encourage it, and it is worth it. And I'm glad to get my cords and my medal in June when I graduate.
And hopefully I pass my exams in May.
That's it for us.
Bye!
That's all for your Spartans news segment.
Stay tuned for sports and weather.
Welcome Spartans to our 17th Spartan Sports Center. My name is Rodney Adams.
And my name is Kevin Gutierrez. First and foremost, we would like to congratulate the Rio Mesa Athletes of the Week, Hanur Singh, Jasmine Torres, and Kylie Lam.
Great job to all three of you. You guys deserved it. Tennis will play Ventura at Ventura on Tuesday, March 7th at 3 p.m.
They will also play Dos Pueblos here at Rio Mesa on Thursday, March 9th at 3 p.m.
Good luck, guys. And here are some clips from last week's tennis game with Adriana.
Hello Spartans, I'm Adriana and I'm here at the boys tennis game against Buena. Make sure to come and support your Rio Mesa sports teams.
Here's a Rio Mesa Spartan Spotlight. We're currently playing a fun game. Bye.
These guys are Buena. They seem to be evenly matched with us, so it's definitely be a good game. You know, I don't think anyone's gonna really like dominate one another, but it's gonna be fun. And honestly, a great day for great game. Yesterday the weather was terrible, but today pretty good.
Varsity Boys Baseball beat Dos Pueblos, Chatsworth, and Dunn High School during a 3-game stretch from February 14th to 17th.
They beat them by 6-4, 12-1, and 3-0. Good job, guys.
This Tuesday, March 7th, they will play versus Santa Barbara at 3:30 p.m. They will also go to play at St. Bonnie at 3:30 on Wednesday, March 8th.
On Friday, March 10th, they will play Santa Barbara again, but it will be here at Rio Mesa. Once again, it will be at 3:30 p.m.
Good luck, guys.
On Tuesday, March 7th, boys golf will play San Marcos at Sterling Hills Golf Club at 12 p.m.
After that, they will play with Pacifica and Oxnard at the River Ridge Golf Course at 1:30 p.m.
Good luck, guys.
On Tuesday, March 7th, the boys volleyball team will go to Pacifica and play them. JV will start at 5 p.m. and varsity will follow them up after at 6:30 p.m.
On Thursday, March 9th, they will play Buena here at Rio Mesa. Once again, JV at 5 and varsity at 6:30. Good luck, boys. Our girls softball team will play Santa Barbara here at Rio Mesa on March 7th.
Both teams will play at 3:30 p.m.
They will rematch them on Friday, March 10th, but this time at Santa Barbara. Once again, they will both play at 3:30 p.m.
Good luck, girls.
On March 7th, the girls beach volleyball team will play at Buena. Varsity will play first at 2:30 p.m. and JV after at 4 p.m.
The next day on March 8th, they will play Royal High School here at Rio Mesa. Once again, varsity at 3 and JV at 4:30. Good luck.
Track and field will have a meet on Friday, March 10th at Ventura, starting at 5 p.m. Make sure to go support our runners and throwers.
Once again, the RMHS esports will have practice every Monday and Wednesday after school at 3:45.
Remember, if you are interested, make sure to ask Mr. Jaquez any questions you may have in room 52.
That's going to do it for the 17th episode of your Spartan Sports Center.
Thank you for watching and have a great day.
Daniel, what are you doing?
I'm looking at the mountains. Don't they look cool, huh?
They do look cool.
Damn, wow, the white coat of it on top it's just looking nice. And then this view right here, looking fantastic. Very beautiful. You know what else is coming up soon though? Spring. Let's get on to this weather segment. Alright guys, this week is going to be pretty sunny with some clouds along with it. So for Monday, Tuesday, we'll be having highs of 58 and lows of 43 and 39. And for Wednesday and Thursday, it'll be pretty sunny with highs of 60 and 64 and lows of 38 and 40. All right, and for Friday, it's gonna be a pretty sunny day. And around this time is when the temperatures will start to go up a bit. So for this day, you'll be having a high of 68 and a low of 48. All right, time for your weekend. For Saturday, we'll be having a cloudy day with a high of 70 and low of 48. And for Sunday, it'll be pretty sunny with a high of 60 and a low of 50. All right, Spartans, and that's going to be it for your weather segment for this week. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you stay safe, and good luck out there.